Karen, you're about to put your plate in the kiln. It's
Yes.
going to go on the kiln shelf. Can you tell us what you've been up to, how you created your plate?
Well, being the princess that I am, I didn't want to go with the plain white glass, so I got red glass. Thank you, Susan, for that. And I didn't quite have a vision. I just let the piece lead me.
Okay.
And what I did was I took some black and gold glass and I made it into a powder. And so I want the black and the gold powder to sink into where the bowl, because this part here is where the bowl actually is. So I want it to sink into there. And these are just accents. And the other things too is what is this stuff called? The
Fiber blanket?
The fiber blanket. So what I did with that is I want the bowl to wave on the ledge. So it's going to wave at all of it's going to have like 6 different waves in it. And each of these bubbles are on the top of a wave.
Oh, fabulous. So
Yes.
everyone, it's on the glass plate mold and the center will drop down. And Karen, you've just done a fabulous job.
Well,
and
we'll see, won't we?
yeah, you really thought through your design. Very, very cool. But you used your intuition completely to shape what you were going to do. So wonderful right brain work and left brain work.